There's IKEA over there, look. Oh well, you can't see them.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very warm welcome back to Dublin Airport, where the local time 25 to 1 in the afternoon and the outside temperature 15 degrees. For your own comfort but mainly your safety, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the terminal building and one of our captains has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign above your head. If you are leaving us today, please make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Have a look in the seat pocket, under your seat and in the overhead compartments, just to be sure. Take special care when opening the overhead compartments in case items may have moved about during the flight that could fall out and hurt you. You will need to have your passports ready for the Irish immigration authorities, and just a reminder, Dublin Airport is strictly no smoking. Our grant agents here at Dublin Airport are called Service Air. They will be here to meet the aircraft, and they will also be in the baggage reclaim area should you have any queries. Those mums and dads on board who've dropped their pushchairs and buggies off in Malaga, please note these will come on the carousel with the rest of your luggage. So on behalf of our captains Chris and Peter, myself and the rest of this Dublin-based crew, it certainly has been our pleasure looking after you today. We'd like to wish you all a very safe, onward journey to your homes, and we look forward to seeing you on another Thomson Airways flight in the very near future. Very good afternoon and thank you. Slán agus Banacliv Galer.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention for final time today? Thomson Airways across all bases are extremely fortunate to be able to support a number of charities. And within the Irish base, we are proud to support St. Vincent de Paul, the Born Free Foundation, and our local charity, the Baby Max Wings of Love Fund. Baby Max passed away 10 years ago from severe illness, but since his death, his parents, Darina and Declan, have made it their mission to ensure that the best possible care is given to those children with pediatric needs and helping to save lives of other children. Therefore, we are asking you, all passengers, to donate any loose coins or notes that you might have and pass this to the cabin crew as you leave the aircraft. No donation is considered too small. On behalf of St. Vincent de Paul, Born Free and our chosen charity Baby Max, we would like to thank you in advance for your kind generosity. Thank you and good afternoon.